Na-discover mo ba kung paano nakapasok si Little John sa engineering viewing deck?
Hindi ko alam. Baka gumamit ng inimbento niyang gadget o anuman. Kilala mo naman yung batang yun.
Well, just like Ned. With your other children, wala ka bang napansin na kakaiba sa kanila na namana kay Ned?
Parang wala naman. Normal sila. Parang tao. Thank God.
Normal.
Bakit ganyan ang tingin mo?
Wala naman ako sinasabi.
May pinahihiwatig ka.
All I'm saying is your children are not normal. Kumpara kay Jamie and Mark. Mary Ann, it means the universe has something bigger in store for them. Meron silang destiny na kailangan i-fulfill. Parang si Ned, napadpad dito, galing sa Busan.
You could say it was written in the stars.